Today, I'm extremely excited. We are going to unbox my new Tibor Signature Series reel. Right now, I've got the Everglades, which I use on my 8-weight. And I have the Riptide, which I use on my 10-weight. Beautiful rods, love them, big Tibor fan. By the way, for those of you that are wondering, just in case you're wondering, maybe you're looking to order one, this is the graphite color. This is the frost white, just the basic frost white. It's nice, but when you put it up next to this graphite, the graphite is just where it's at. This is the frost white. Still a nice looking reel, but you can tell it's definitely, you know, as far as the finish, this graphite's where it's at. So just in case you're wondering there. So these are the two reels I own now. And I have a Signature Series that I just got, and I'm pumped. So this is a Signature 7/8. We're going to unbox it, and let's go ahead and do this. All right, so there's the box. There's the Tibor box. All right, Tibor Signature Series 7/8. Here we go. Let's look at this guy. See what we got. All Tibor reels come with this neoprene pouch, okay? They all come with that, and they fit perfectly over. So if the reel's on the rod, you can just put this on it and keep the reel on the rod. You've got your little loop there for the rod to go through, so it's perfect. I can already see it, and I'm pumped. Oh, this looks good. Boom! Look at that. Look at that. Oh, let's get this baby lined up. All of the Tibor reels, I shouldn't say all because I don't know if the Billy Pates do, but the Signature Series, the Everglades, the Riptide, the Gulfstream, they all come with nameplates. So there's the nameplate. I've got my name on there. You know, I do that. I mean, these are heirlooms, really, when you look at it. I mean, this guy right here, this Everglades graphite with my name on it, that'll be passed down to my kids. And hopefully they'll develop a love for fly fishing, and I would love for them to use this reel. So these Tibor reels, I mean, they're built like freaking tanks. They are going to last. You know, one of the knocks on them is that they're heavy. They are a little heavier than some other reels, but to me, it's worth it because they're built like tanks. They've got a wonderful drag system. You can hear that. It's got that Tibor click to it. Little interesting fact here. The idea was, as a guide, he wanted to know very definitively if you had the fish running or if you were reeling. And that's why there's that distinctive sound when this lets out line. I don't know if I can do it without line on there. Let's see. Yeah. So that's what you hear when a fish is running. And then when you're reeling, it's totally different. And he did that because as a guide, maybe you don't have eyes on it. You know, you're pulling or you're trying to get into position. Well, you know if that fish is running, right? So he wanted those two distinctive sounds. But man, this is a beautiful, beautiful reel. The other thing I like about Tibors is they're super simple. They require almost no maintenance. You can just throw some Tibor grease on there and it'll stay for years and years and years. You just got to rinse it with fresh water when you get it out of the salt water. But other than that, everything is very straightforward, very easy to use. Cost. So how much is this bad boy? So $7.95 is the standard polished finish. This is standard, okay? So this is $7.95 with an extra spool. The extra spool is $3.85. Actually, no, I take that back. This is the Arctic White, so this is $9.20. So this is Arctic White with Royal Blue. That's what this is, okay? Arctic White with Royal Blue. This is $920. All right? The extra spool on this would be $440. Comes with the hub, the reel stand, nameplate, drag knob, stop nut color, options at no cost. You'd hope so for $920, right? So there it is. There's my brand new, fresh out of the box, Tibor Signature Series, Frost White, Royal Blue, 7/8 line. And man, am I ready to get this thing going. All right, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions on Tibors, send me a note. You can see I've got them, I use them, so let me know if I can answer any questions on Tibors if you're thinking about purchasing them. Great company, great reel. All right, later.